Hello everybody and welcome back to Money Plus Income 13. We are here for the month of May and we are going to do together the unboxing for Ipsy. In this month we have Ipsy Glam Bag, we have Ipsy by Boxycharm, if I'm not mistaken that's how you say it, and we also have the Icon Box, which is by Starr. He's the one that put the box together, so we're gonna see how it is together here. And let's get into what is the theme for this month. The theme is the secret garden. So this is how it is, and it says basically this month these spring beauty staples will bring your look into full bloom. So it's time to blooming out and get out and enjoy this lovely exciting new weather. Like, you know, no more winter, so we're into the spring already, and we need to just enjoy the fresh air and the fresh beauty from outside, right? So I have my Ipsy right here and we are going to open it up right now. So let's see what we have. First of all, I love the cute little bag. It has really beautiful print details of a garden flower and it looks so beautiful. I am excited to see what I have for this month. So the first item here, this is a mini, yes, this is wet dry eye color Reina Rebel. This is the brand, and this is like a mini eyeshadow palette, and this is it. And let me show you. Gorgeous colors, as you can see, very beautiful, and I am definitely loving and excited to give this a try because it says wet and dry, so I'm just very curious how that formula works. So let's see the other item. So I wanted to let you guys know, for Ipsy you get 5 deluxe samples and then 5 full-size products in the box in Ipsy by Boxycharm, and then the Icon Box has 8 full-size products. So let's continue to unbox the Ipsy. So the next item is Sorta Beauty, and this is volumizing cream. So this is nice for the hair care, right? This is a nice hair care product, and it's always good and convenient to have something for your hair as well, right? So the next item I see here, this is a lip plumper, and this is from TYS Beauty, and it's a clear shade. You can smell it. It smells like kind of like mint, like peppermint, and I can't try it right now because, as you see, I have my lips with lip color and lip gloss. And this one is Some Like London, and this is an exfoliator, basically. Yes, facial exfoliator. So this is looks like a nice brand, and I haven't tried any of these, so this is why I'm excited to give these all a try, because it's always good to be trying out new products monthly, right? And lastly, this product right here, which is the Neutral Sea Eye Cream, and this is from Kate Brookie. So nice, we have eye cream, and it's really always necessary because we always have to be taking care of the eye area. So that is all for the Ipsy Glam Bag, and now stay with me. I'm going to do the Ipsy by Boxycharm. Now we have here Ipsy by Boxycharm, and I just wanted to let you guys know that all of this is kindly gifted to me by Ipsy, so that's why I'm so happy, always excited to be showing you guys what is in store for each month. And also, like, you know, if you guys have tried any of the items that you've seen so far, let me know in the comments. But I'm definitely always so happy to be sharing with you everything that comes in for the new month. So let's open this beauty box here and let's see what we have. So the first item here is the renewing cleansing cream from Renor, and let's see. This is how nice, heavy. That the box was heavy, and I was like thinking, what is inside? So I heard good reference from this the brand. They have nice products, and this is really gonna be really nice because I think I'm gonna start using it very soon. A nice face cleanser. So the next item here we have is Pixie it says Pixie Skin Treats, and this is Pixie Beauty, and this is the Rose oil blend. This is a nourishing facial face oil. So let's check it out. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. This is the beauty. And I love when it has a lovely natural scent of the rose. Oh, that is so fabulous. And it's always so nice to have facial oil because it really helps the skin, right? So that is 2 items we have opened so far. And now we're gonna open it. I can't stop smelling it. It smells so nice. And now we're gonna open the 3rd item, which is right here. And this is the Love Script Sugar Plum Body Scrub. Ooh, body scrub is so lovely. It smells amazing. Look at that. Ooh. I cannot wait to use this right away because I am so into body scrub, body butter. They're always the best to have to keep your body looking amazing and soft. And you know, that is like a nice treat. We could have like a nice self-care moment, which is perfectly fine. So the last item, oh no, not last item, sorry, this is the 4th item. There's one more in here, I just saw it. So the last item here we have Seat London, and then I Am Woman, What's Your Superpower? This is like the eyeshadow palettes. So let's open her up. It's always nice and exciting to get a nice eyeshadow palette, a new one here to try. Let me take out the plastic and let me show you guys. Look how beautiful that looks. It's definitely gorgeous. I already see some shimmers, some mattes, all beautiful. And I'm excited to play with this one soon. Very, very soon, because I was looking forward to, you know, getting a new eyeshadow palette because we can never say no to makeup because makeup is always fun. And it's never ending, you know, because you can do so many looks. Like, there's no, like, exactly rules. People could, right now, use a liquid blush, liquid bronzer. So definitely it's always something new for us to try out. And lastly we have here, this is a Beautiful for Real, and this is Lip Revival. This is like this is hydration serum lipstick. Wow, amazing. So we're saying it's serum on a stick. Wow. Okay, let's open her up and check it out. Look at that. This is the packaging, and let me see if we could swatch. Hold on, let me see if I could swatch it here. Look at that color. Wow, it's beautiful. It's very nice. The shade is gorgeous, and this is like a nice lip treatment and nice lip color as well. So that is all for Boxycharm, and we're gonna put the box to the side, and we are going to continue now with the icon box. Okay, so now we are going to open the icon box, and this was put together by Patrick's Tarte. So let's see what we have in store, because it's always lovely surprise we get in the box, right? So let's see right now. Oh, here we go. This is a pamphlet right here, and basically it tells you, you know, who is the one that put together the box, right? And these are some of the, I think some of the items that we could maybe get in our box. Look at that. So I don't know what I have in the box, but I'm excited to see with you guys here what we have in the box. So let's see right now. Oh, look, and there's more items here, I guess. So it's a Scream Time Secret. So it's definitely interesting, because those, I think one of those as well could be in there. I'm not sure how it is, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay, so the first item, remember it's 8 items in icon box. First item we have here is the Pore Professional. This is Speedy Smooth Quick Smoothing Pore Mask. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. A nice face mask. Ooh, look at that. I'm always so excited to try new face mask. So that's the 1, and this is the 2, and this is Hair Scalp Recovery Oil. So this is from Arani, and this is, oh, So this is a nice product for your hair, like the scalp, right? Hair and scalp. So always good to have a nice hair oil. So this is 2, and we have a bunch more to go. Oh wow. So this is First Aid Beauty. This is Bounce Boosting Serum with collagen and pet dyes. Wow, I never really tried, I think, something from them, so this is gonna be exciting. Look at this. Nice serum, perfect timing. Always good to have a new serum in the beauty routine. So that's 3. Oh, look at this. This is 4. And this is the green tea hyaluronic cream. This is for Innisfree. So let's see, a nice new moisturizer. And this is it. Oh, it's unscented, but look at this nice jelly texture. And you saw the texture I was showing you, and now I'm gonna try to swatch it for you guys here. Look at that. It really absorbs so nicely onto my skin. It is definitely a must for me, and always good because now with the hotter months that we have for summer, it's always good to have something in kind of like gel texture, kind of like that, because it's more lightweight, right? You don't need the too heavy hydration cream, right? So that is 4. Now we're gonna open, oh, we have one size product right here, and this is Point Made waterproof liquid pen. So this is Busty Brown, and let me show you. Ooh, look at that. Let me try and swatch it on this hand because I had put the cream here and it's not gonna work like that. So let's do this side, and look at that. It just swatched really nice. It went and glide like really smooth, like really lovely. Now we're gonna see how that works because it says it's waterproof, so I'm guessing that's not gonna budge. It's gonna stay there, right? So that is 5. Now we're going to open up. This is 6, and this is Cosa Grow Potion Fluffy Brow and Lash Boosting Serum. So this is an eyelash serum and eyebrows, they said as well. So look at that. And this is gonna be nice to give it a try, but I'm not gonna open it until I try it, right? So definitely looks really interesting. And this is going to be, this is Fenty Skin Thick Smooth Rich Peti Eye Cream. Ooh, nice, another eye cream. So definitely cover for eye cream, right? This is it. This is really good and cute little packaging, and definitely I don't think we need something huge for eye cream, right? We need something small is perfect. So now if I let me see, oh yeah, we're in the last product. Wow, this is the last product, and this is one size Fantasize. This is illuminating lifting lengthening mascara, and this is, yeah, of course, is black. So let me show you how she looks. Whoa. And I'm going to open it because I will be trying this out. So look at this, the wand, really nice. So that is all for the month of May, and I'm definitely happy with what I received in my icon box, in my Ipsy by Boxycharm, and my Ipsy Glam Band. So I'm thinking this is definitely a must for you to get into signing up for it, because you get to try a little bit of makeup, skincare, and even hair care. And sometimes they even include a perfume, but this time for me I didn't get it. I know they have also going around for this month, as I showed in the pamphlet. So I am so happy to share with you all, like I always do here, the unboxing, and I hope to see you guys soon when I could do another video for you all. So take care, and we will be seeing you soon. Bye bye.